In recent weeks, a captivating trend has taken social media by storm. AI-generated art emulating the distinctive style of Japan's beloved animation studio, Studio Ghibli. So this all started when one software engineer, Grant Slayton, posted a picture of his family reimagined in the Ghibli style. He basically turned his family photos into a real-life anime and boom, viral sensation. People were like, hey, I want my cat to look like it belongs in my neighbor Totoro, and thus AI Ghibli style art was born. The hashtag Ghibli style, it's like the internet's own version of a magical portal to a world of colorful creatures and magical forests. People have been using this technology for all sorts of things now. First off, personal portraits. Who doesn't want to see themselves in a Studio Ghibli film? Just imagine your selfie turned into an animation where your hair actually looks so good and there's a sparkly background. Life goals, right? Then there's creative projects. I mean, Ghibli characters are iconic. And frankly, who wouldn't want to dress up their design portfolio in an adorable Totoro jacket? Finally, we have the classic reimagining of famous movie scenes, which honestly is my favorite use of this AI. Ever wondered what Darth Vader would look like as a fluffy, wide-eyed Ghibli creature? What about Don Corleone in Godfather? And hobbits from Lord of the Rings? The possibilities are endless. Now, if you're wondering how big has this trend gotten, brace yourself. The rise of AI art has been like a digital Totoro. Quiet at first, but suddenly everywhere. Millions of images and endless shares. It's like the internet collectively discovered a hidden Ghibli Easter egg. Only this time, it's in your own selfies. But not everyone is on the AI Ghibli train. Enter Hayao Miyazaki, the legendary genius behind all things Ghibli, who looked at AI art and said, nope, not on my watch. In fact, in a 2016 interview, he described AI-generated art as an insult to life itself.
自分たちの仕事をつなげたいとは全然思いません。極めて何か生命に対する侮辱を感じます。
Ouch. He wasn't pulling any punches. Hayao's not about to let some algorithm come for a kingdom he has built. To be fair though, it's not like Hayao's going to hand over his pencils to a robot anytime soon. So what do we do now? Have an existential crisis or just blame it all on the robots? And then we get to the juicy stuff, legal issues. Because what happens when an AI takes something that took years of painstaking, meticulous artistry and poof, makes it in a second? The creators at Ghibli are probably sitting there going, excuse me, this is copyrighted. Can you imagine a lawyer walking into court with a Spirited Away scene and saying, Your Honor, my client has been plagiarized by a robot? I mean, the court would need an entire Ghibli movie just to figure that out. But how does this wizardry even happen? If you watched my previous video, you will have a brief knowledge about what's happening. To put it in a nutshell, it's all about machine learning. The AI is trained on tons of images from Ghibli movies, and from there, it turns your everyday photo into something magical. It's like if the internet went to Hogwarts, got a magic wand and said, now, let's make art. With all these concessions, what's the community's verdict? It's a mixed bag, of course. Some are over the moon, praising the beautiful fusion of technology and art, while others, however, are clutching their sketchbooks and muttering, back in my day, we drew our own Totoro. The debates range from, is this art, to should we let machines hijack the creative process? And you know what that means, right? More memes. At the end of the day, the rise of AI art in the style of Studio Ghibli is a reflection of where we are in the creative landscape today. Technology is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. So, as we navigate this magical new world of AI art, let's remember to have fun, but also ask the big questions like, is it art? Is it stealing or is it just a really cute robot doing its best?